Hi, I'm Mark from LM Small Engine. Today we're working on a Husqvarna 445 chainsaw. It has no spark, so we'll check and see if the coil's bad or what else could be causing it. So hope you enjoy the video. They put a new plug in and everything and it won't fire. So we'll go ahead and take the recoil off and we'll put a test on the spark plug. Look, them two are Phillips screws, it looks like. Someone lost some screws at one time. These two are Allen wrench head, and these two here are Phillips. They should be all the same, but I guess as long as it's the same thread and same size, I guess it don't matter. These wires here are pinched. I don't see them broke all the way through. Let me grab the tester here real quick. Okay, got the tester on there. Give it a good ground. And we'll spin it. On the flywheel, the way it's curved, you turn it this way, that way it hits these fins and it forces air around the cylinder. You don't want to turn it this way. You want to turn it the every way it's curved. That's the way you spin it. And there's no spark. So it definitely has a bad coil. Remember, Allen wrench head. And there we go. Let me go grab a new one. Okay, when you get your new coil, make sure it's the same as the old one. Some spades are in the same place, the spark plug wires in the same place, and the bolt downs are in the same place. Okay. Then we'll find our magnet. We'll bring our magnet up here. And business cards work awesome for this. Make sure it's sitting on the magnet so it's like glued to it with your business card. Then we'll put this ground wire on that one. Snug them down and just turn your card out. Yeah, I noticed this thing here is kind of loose, so let's take a pair of wire cutters and just gently squeeze in the center of it. Just to squeeze them parts of that together so it's nice and tight. So let's put it on the tester first, I guess. Should work. I don't see why it won't, but we'll just Watch that spark plug. There's plenty of spark now. Plenty of spark now. I don't know how long ago was the last time this thing ran, but I'm going to spray a little bit of WD-40. The spark plug hole just to kind of get the piston ring lubricate a little bit. Grab our new plug, make sure it's gapped properly. And I'm going to grab the recoil now. Squeeze them wires in the little clips right there. What's that? We have to use the Phillips on these. Okay, get the top put on. And I'm going to drain this gas out. It don't smell that old, but it does have a little oldness to it. I'll put some new gas in. Okay, I put fresh 2-cycle gas in there. Push the decompression button down. Push the primer bulb down his stop. Up his choke. And once it pops, once it pops, then you just bring it down one notch, and that'll be no choke, fast idle. So, see what happens. Well, there you go, and start cutting wood again. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good afternoon. Bye.